Alright, got a new GoPro Hero 13 Black. Take it out. Got the DJI Mini Mic for a microphone. Gonna take it out and see how well it works. Still don't have the quick shifter. Working on this. I don't know if it's because of these tires. They say that these Midases will turn the quick shifter off on trans out, but I don't know. I had no issues until that wreck, and then after that wreck I had to reset everything, and it worked for a little while, then it turned back off, but I've just got it off right now. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Oh yeah, definitely not gonna make it up that. Cleaned all this out, that looks good. Let's see how this looks down here. Usually it's pretty chewed up, and it still is. Sometimes the county will come down here and smooth this out, and they typically make it worse after. It'll be smooth for a little while, but after the first rain, it just washes all of it out. see how it's chewed up. See if these mud holes are worse down here. Figure out whether we'll have to turn back around or not. That's pretty bad. Let's see how this looks. Huh. Probably go down here and hang to the right. Be okay. Try that. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Big bump. Man, all this is really chewed up here. And this is one of my favorite views of this entire loop. The sun typically sets down over that mountain over there. I'll point to it. That mountain right there in the distance. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it'll set right over that. It's typically really pretty during the summertime. I think this is the right road to go on. We'll have to see. We'll run it, and if it's not, we can turn around. Yeah, the GoPro's got voice commands, so it's all I gotta do is tell it to start, and it starts. And then I can tell it to stop, and it'll stop. Okay, well, I'll let you later. Alright, bye. This is all pretty rocky down through here. Figure out which way I want to go. I think it's deeper over here on the left, but it's easier on this side when you get up. Here comes all these huge rocks. A bunch of baby head rocks. You know, people fuss about the Transalp suspension, but I mean, it's really not that bad. And I'm not the lightest guy either. I mean, I'm probably 195 pounds with gear on. And I've got crash bars and all that extra stuff on it. I don't know, I mean, I guess to each their own, but set the preload on it a little stiffer and it's not that bad. Time to start heading back home. My clock's an hour off, so it's 2:20. My wife will be off for too long. I know she's gonna want me to be home to see me since it's my birthday. This is such a pretty area. Oh. He saw me, decided to get over on his side of the road. That would hurt. heard that truck. That's 127. Let's see how long it takes me to get back off this road. I'm not really going to push it. I just want to see how long this road takes. That plank was up. That was a little sketchy. Turkey, turkey, gobble, 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 gobble. Coming up to the end of the road. Clock says 1:34. 7 minutes. Not too bad. I think I'm just going to head to the house. Probably take the road. My lower back's starting to get pretty stiff. Decent little ride. I think that loop's like 30 something miles, and I may usually be on the road for like maybe a half a mile at a time.